Church House Collection Store.
Jesus loves me every day. When I laugh and when I pray, when I'm kind and when I'm small, Jesus' love is for us all. Jesus loves me, yes, it's true.